profits are dropping. Which is why I called you two over. Hand in hand. That's it. You're talking to a 14-year-old boy who lost his parents, his job, and his future. That's all you got?
Sigh, I'm so lonely. Get the hell out of my bed!
Stop bopping in my face!
What the Okay, buddy, alright.
Yaps about your love life cutely. Your old love life, you old man. Old man! Old man! Holy moly, Next time you'll be so, lucky. How is this guy not even dodging the bullets and he's still getting not hit?